Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. And you're probably wondering why I sound like this. I am sick again. I have had really bad allergies for a while now, and on my birthday, August 11th, I had a bad cold. And I thought it was getting better, but now I'm like, I can't stop coughing, and my throat's bothering me, and I feel like I can't even talk without having the urge to gag. And so it really stinks because I wanted to tell you guys about this really cool offer that BohemStyle has going on right now. And since I'm losing my voice and you probably won't even understand me talking about the offer, I think I'm going to put everything in writing in the video so you guys can read about their offer and go check it out because it's a really cool offer. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the video here and tell you about it through words and open this box with you guys, so keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to try really hard not to cough throughout the making of this video, which is probably going to be impossible. But first off, I just want to say that I realized they've changed their packaging some. They changed the color of their string, which is normally a gold or like bronze color. And they also changed the paper inside. They have a different picture now, so let's see. Yeah, they did. So, there is a link to a video tutorial in here that shows you how to make the pieces in the box. And because I'm subscribed to them, they send me a like newsletter email every month. And I actually read that this box has a necklace and earrings, which usually it's necklace and bracelet. So I'm excited to see what the design's going to be. So I'm going to put this to the side and see what they have. Oh my gosh, those are so cool. Wow, I have these beads, but mine are super tiny, like this big. They're like 7 millimeters long. I've never seen these this big. These are really cool. Oh my gosh, I love these. How many are there? 5. Wow, these are so cool. Man, I love those. Okay, moving on. Man, it's so hard not to cough. Cough drops aren't doing anything. I've tried all kinds of cough medicine. It's not working. Oh, here's smaller ones. Look at that. So this is probably going to go up the sides. These are eye pins. I'll go ahead and open this too, because I've been getting comments. You guys want me to open every bag and show you what the beads look like. So I'm listening and I'm doing it. They're pretty cool. They look like they're so old. The ones I have are black with silver in the details. And oh my gosh. ball chain and cup chain. I wonder how we're going to use this. So let's see. Wait, oh my gosh, it's actually like a charm. Oh, look at that. This is precious. Man, those are really cool. And there's a pair of them. So this must be for the earrings. Those are very fancy. Okay, what's next? Earring findings. So this is the ball earring finding with a loop at the top to attach them to. I wonder if there's going to be any other charms or anything like that on them. Here's the bead stringing wire. And here are some beads. This is a moonstone color or milk glass. I think these are 10mm check fire polish. I love that color. Then we have a lobster claw clasp, and I can't tell if it's bronze or if it's copper. Which is weird, because I'm normally pretty good at that. I don't want to say it's more copper. And then we have earring backs. And we have check trucks. And one of my most favorite colors to work with, which is bronze. I use a lot of bronze in my work. Especially bronze seed beads. I don't know if you guys realize that or not. Those are gorgeous. This is actually very dark bronze. It's kind of like chocolate. Check trucks. I love those. And here are daggers. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited about this design. This is going to be a really cool design, isn't it? Daggers. And then we have... These are 3mm check trucks. And they actually have like a luster finish on them. Kind of pearl-like. At least they do to me, compared to these. So here are 2 large jump rings, maybe 10mm. I do want to say they're copper. And then 2 more, maybe 6-7mm jump rings. And we have some crimp beads. There are a bunch of them here, which makes me wonder if it's going to be multi-strand or there's extra. And then we have a lot of bronze daggers. Wow, there is a lot in here. I think normally when I buy these for a project, they sell them in like a 25 strand, something like that. Oh, you know what? I'm wondering if they're now going to be taking a picture for each subscription. Because if you look here, the beads that are in this picture are in the subscription, this month's subscription. Alright, so that's it. So, yeah, the email said it's going to be earrings and a necklace. And I'm really excited about the necklace. Earrings are really cute. But the necklace, it looks like it's going to be really like tribal looking and interesting. So, I really want to see what that's going to be like. I'll probably be working on this tonight if I feel better. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I will put a link for this subscription down there below the video. And I will also put information on how you can get your free box from Check Beads exclusive. So make sure you check that out. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So please give me a thumbs up, like the video, leave me a comment. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos. And like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page. And follow me on Pinterest. And you can also follow me on Instagram and post pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos there. And tag me. So thank you so much for watching.